Good afternoon everyone, and welcome back to the channel. It's a bit grey and misty here in Blackpool today on Tuesday 9th of May, and yeah, it is a bit on the dull side. I thought we'd have a little look over at the sea and have a look at what it's doing. I've not done a sounds of the sea video for a while, and I know many of you like it, so I thought we'll do that right now for you. See the Pleasure Beach in the distance down there. It's like I say, a bit of a grey day. It's not cold, a bit of a wind, but it's not cold. It's pleasant enough. So yeah, that's our view today across the Irish Sea. There's a bit of low-lying mist or something, low-lying cloud. It's not cold. But I thought we'd just come have a look at this little beauty here. I know I have a few subscribers who really enjoy the sounds of the sea. Looks stunning, doesn't it? And Central Pier just in the background there, and of course part of Blackpool Tower. But isn't this just gorgeous? A quick look towards the south, South Pier. Wow, doesn't it look beautiful? Of course, in Blackpool, because of the way our beach is and the way our sandbanks are, every time the tide is a bit rough like this, you see it churning the sand up. Whereas out at sea it's lovely blue clear water. Now on a lovely sunny day when it's still like a mill pond, you can actually see how crystal clear the water is as it sits up against these steps. This is breathtaking. Right, I'm going to wrap this one up here, guys and girls. I hope you enjoyed that little minute or two just by the seafront here in Blackpool. And until the next one, I will catch you later. Bye.